Those of you that are into ASMR, you sucker! Cover my address, even though it's not too hard to figure out where I live, but this is my last upgrade of the day. This is the 15-inch screen protector for my new Tesla Model Y SR. I had this exact same thing on my 2019 Model 3, and I was very, very happy with it. This screen is fingerprint resistant, high definition, delicate touch. Yeah, it does give your screen a different feel, more tactile feel. Scratch resistant, oleophobic coating, so you can touch it. Impact resistant and anti-glare. What else could you want? This is made by a company called Nikola, and it's tempered glass. Right there's the structure of the screen cover. Top is a special coating, tempered glass. Layer C is shatterproof, although if your screen is shattering, you probably have bigger problems than that. And a silicone coating at the bottom. So let's get it out here. That I actually bought this from, they're called Elon Accessories, and it's funny, they with my original screen protector they did this as well, although they're including more now. They include these little packets that include these cards. They include these little cards, which I always thought was creative. Little card that says "You suck at parking," and if you read the fine print, it says "Please see other side for more details." So you flip it over and it says, "Yes, you do suck at parking, fellow driver." So, yeah, this is probably something that's good if you run into someone parking with a regular car at like a Supercharger. They probably deserve a card like this. So, I do keep these. I don't think I've actually ever had to hand one out yet, but I am prepared if I do. Just like a screen protector for your phone, making sure the screen is absolutely clean is paramount in this process. They include a damp cleaning wipe, and actually they recommend you don't even have the AC running to do this, so there's not like dust floating around the cabin. But I'm going to push it and clean it with the AC on. All right, so now I did it with a wet. Now we're going to go to the dry cleaning. I have the screen in screen cleaning mode, if you can't read that. All right, that's not too shabby. All right, so now we're going to take the screen itself out, the screen protector out. So the way you do this, and I've done it before, but it's been a while obviously, is they include these guide stickers that you use to place the screen protector initially. So I'm going to stick a couple here. This may seem odd to you, but it'll make more sense later. All right, so let's get that right lined up. All right, it doesn't look too bad. I give you 6. I don't know that you need 6 of them, but I'm going to try to make do with 3. Did I really just do this backwards? Shit, I did. God damn it. All right, don't be a dumbass like me. And the part that has the little sticker on that says back, that needs to be against the screen, obviously. I reversed it because I wasn't paying attention, so don't be stupid like me. So now I'm reapplying. All right. So now, and do I really need all these other ones? I mean, I got them, so I'll stick them on. Okay. We'll go with 5 instead of 6. All right, so that looks like that's aligned pretty well. So now at this point, you're supposed to lift it up and make sure that you don't see any shit on your screen. And I actually see a little bit of shit on my screen, so we're going to use the little dust absorber, which is just basically adhesive. All right, there's some shit too. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I think we're good there. So now at this point, you can peel off your coating here on the back, your protective cover, very carefully, very slowly. Those of you that are into ASMR, you sucker! Damn it. Okay, now my life just got a lot more difficult. We are gonna, all right, you should see this start to just kind of fill in. You see these? I guess I didn't have my stickers stuck on there good enough, huh? Now we're going to push out any air we see. Oh man, that looks like a freaking little dust ball. And so does that. You sucker. Let's see how it looks with. All right, it's. You can't tell unless you have the screen totally off. Okay, so I just even though it attaches, you can still peel it back and adjust it a little bit. So I did that. Looks like it's lined up there pretty good. And again, you can't tell this on video, but it feels better than the stock screen. And you don't have the fingerprints that you would normally with the shiny stock screen as well. So I really like this on my Model 3, and I am glad I have it on the Model Y, even though I kind of botched the install a little bit, but you can't tell. Again, if I didn't tell you that there was something that was less than Sentry mode, I don't want that on right now. If I didn't tell you that I botched it, I don't think you'd be able to tell. I think it still looks pretty darn good. Okay, so that's going to wrap up the screen protector install. This was purchased on Amazon. Like I said, the website for this, you can buy it directly on their website at elonaccessories.com. I will also include the Amazon link that I use to buy it in case you want to buy it on Amazon. Not cheap. It was either $69 or $79, so it is not cheap. But this is, without a doubt, one of the highest quality screen protectors you can get for your Tesla. So for me, it's worth the investment. You're going to have to make the decision for yourself if you feel the same. So if you guys found this video interesting, please give it a big thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting a channel, please consider subscribing. And if you're going to subscribe, you can hit the notify bell, which is over there, somewhere over there. Feel free to leave your comments, suggestions, ideas, and thoughts below. It's kind of crazy that even though I did this before, I still kind of screwed it up a little bit, right? Well, it's not crazy. If you see my videos, I'm pretty good at screwing things up. So yeah, don't be surprised by that. But that's all I have for you for now. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Maybe I'll get to ride an EUC yet today. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. The day is escaping me quickly. So that's all I have. Till next time, definitely out. I usually keep my cars pretty clean inside. Not like this. Definitely not like this. Got some cleanup to do.